Triangular numbers are actually polygonal numbers. If I put a dot, one is the first triangular number. Now, if I want to maintain the triangle, if I add two more to it, just see, it will look like a triangle, isn't it? Triangle formation of. Now, one, two. If I'm adding three more to it, again, it looks like a triangle. If I'm adding four more to it, it will again look like a triangle. So on any of the base, either on perpendicular base or base perpendicular, you keep on adding the natural number series to it. It will give us a shape of a triangle. You see, if I add five more on the perpendicular, 3, 4, 5, again we get a triangle. This kind of numbers are known as triangular numbers. As we have discussed, the triangular number form कैसे होते हैं? When we keep on adding the natural number series, isn't it? The first triangular number was 1. Now if I add 2 to it, it becomes 3. That is our next triangular number. Now to 3, if I add 3 more, 6, next triangular number. 6 plus 4 is 10, next triangular number. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 6 is 21. 21 plus 7 is 28, and on and on and on. So how to identify the nth triangular number is nothing but total of first and natural number, isn't it? If I ask you to find the fourth triangular number, you will calculate 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. That is nothing but sum of first four natural numbers, that is 10. But if I ask you to find the 21st triangular number, obviously you will not be writing it down and counting. So it is simple that triangular number is nothing but Sn. Sn means sum of first n natural number, which is n into n plus 1 by 2. I need to find the 20th triangular number. Then 20th triangular number would be simply 20 into 21 by 2, that is 210. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 18, 19, 20. This is the 20th triangular number. Very important property of triangular number. As we can see that these are first 20 triangular numbers. Now, if a first triangular number is 1, 1 plus 3 is 4, 3 plus 6, 9, 6 plus 10, 16, 10 plus 15, 25. That means what? With help of triangular numbers, we are getting square number series, isn't it? Any square number, n square, is sum of nth triangular number and its previous triangular number. What is Tn? Tn is n into n plus 1 by 2. I have the formula. And what is the formula? N into n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 6. Now, please remember this. So, sum of first n triangular numbers. Sum of first n triangular numbers is n multiplied by the next number into the next number divided by 6. What is the 17th triangular number? What is the base for a triangular number 78? Base means we are talking about the base of the triangle which we have formed. I hope you remember. Suppose base is 4, then this is your triangle. They are asking about this base. So if base is 4, there are 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is 10 dots. So if there are 78 dots in this triangle, what should be the base? So this is the simple process to find which triangular number it should be, isn't it? 78 is a triangular number. We know that 78 is a triangular number. Multiply 78 by 2. It will give you 156. Find the square root of 156. Sir, this is not a whole square. Yes, this is not a whole square. Find a square number which is just lower boundary to this. Lower boundary means lower square number. That is 144, and 144 is square of 12. You know what? 12 is your triangle base. 12 is your triangular number. You can try this with any triangular number. Okay? Like for an example, I'm giving you if I know that n is a triangular number, let me call it t, then I just need to do t into 2 and a square root. T into 2 and just find the square root. I will get something dot some number. This something is the n, value of n, if this is tn. Find the sixth triangular number coming after 36. This is not two-step sum. First we need to find that 36 is which triangular number, and to that we need to add 6 and again find the triangular number. Sixth triangular number coming after 36 is the 14th triangular number we are in search of, that is 105. एक स्टूडेंट से कहा गया कि आप लगातार नेचुरल नंबर को ऐड करते रहो, तो वो बैठ गया ऐड करने. 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, और इस तरह से एडिशन करता गया. जब उसको रोका गया और पूछा गया, हाँ भाई बताओ कितना एडिशन मिला, उसने कहा 200. एंड जैसे ही उसने कहा 200, वो उनके जो टीचर थे उसने उस बच्चे से पूछा, भाई आपने एक नंबर मिस कर दिया है. पहले तो ये बताइए कि इतनी जल्दी कैसे बता दिया कि एक नंबर मिस किया है, और फिर वो कौन सा नंबर है जिसको मिस किया गया है. दिस इज नथिंग बट एप्लीकेशन ऑफ ट्राइंगुलर नंबर. व्हाई? बिकॉज व्हेन ही इज एडिंग अप 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, वो जहां कहीं भी आके रुकेगा, वो रुकेगा किसी नंबर पर, एंड दैट नंबर शुड बी नथिंग बट अ ट्रायंगुलर नंबर एंड नथिंग एल्स, इजंट इट? अगर वो 10 पर आके रुका तो 10 इज अ ट्रायंगुलर नंबर. अगर वो +5 करके 15 पर आकर रुका, 15 इज अ ट्रायंगुलर नंबर, एंड ऑन. दैट मीन्स जो भी सम वो अपने को देगा, that should be a triangular number. बस वहीं से पता चल जाएगा कि उसने कौन सा नंबर मिस आउट किया. अब आपको पहले ये पता लगाना है कि ये 200 कौन सा ट्रायंगुलर नंबर के बगल में. सिंपल प्रोसेस. लेट अस सपोज दैट 200 इज अ ट्रायंगुलर नंबर. हम अपना प्रोसेस यूज करेंगे. 200 into 2 is 400. लेट्स फाइंड द रूट ओवर 400. रूट ओवर 400 गलती से हमें टोटल मिल गया 20 मिलाना. जस्ट क्विकली फाइंड T20. T20 is 20 into 21/2, that is 210. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? 210 टोटल होना चाहिए था. अगर इस बच्चे ने 1 से लेकर 20 तक का टोटल किया होता करेक्टली, then he should have given us the value 210. But he has given the value 200. That means what? Deduct that 200. Remaining is 10. He missed out 10. अगर उसने 10 करेक्टली लिया होता तो उसके पास टोटल 210 आ गया होता. He missed out 10. अब किसी ने बोला कि 19th वाला आपने क्यों नहीं चेक किया? वो हो सकता है 19 तक ही गया हो. एक चीज देखो, T19 क्या है? What is T19? T19 is 19 into 20/2, that is 190. बट उसने वैल्यू दिया 200, इसका मतलब वो 19th टर्म से आगे बढ़ चुका है, वो 20th टर्म तक पहुंच चुका है। 20th टर्म पर आने के समय उसको 200 टोटल मिल रहा है, जबकि उसका टोटल 20 ऐड करने के बाद 210 होना चाहिए था। दैट मीन्स व्हाट, ही मिस्ड आउट 10। कान इधर से पकड़ो, इधर से पकड़ो, he missed out 10. Let's do one more on this. A student, while adding n natural number, arrives at a total of 1000. After inspection, it was found that he double counted one number. In this case, he double counted some number. We need to identify what is that number. Again, I think concept should be clear that we are looking for a triangular number, because whatever he can give is just a triangular number, and our job is just to find 1000 maybe which triangular number. If 1000 is correct, then it should be which triangular number. That means he should get 990. Now, why 990? Why not a number after that? So if he gets a number after that, he should be adding 45 to this. That is 5, 9, 5, 3, 1 and 1, 1, 1, 0. So 990 plus 45 is 1035. But he has given us a count of 1000, and we know that he should have given us only 990 and not 1000. That means he double counted which number? 10. By mistake, he have added 10 twice to that particular natural number series. Find 288th term of the series A, B, B, C, 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 D, 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 D. Can you identify how this term is moving? A is occurring once, B occurs twice, C is occurring 3 times, D should occur 4 times, E 5 times, F 6 times. The position of that letter in alphabets is the frequency of occurrence of that particular letter. We need to actually find that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 should lead us to 288, isn't it? We are looking out for what? A triangular number. Just suppose 288 is a triangular number, then we need to find its base, and that will give us the answer. That means what? Term 24 ends with 300th term in this series. Then 300 minus 24 is how much? 276. That means the 23rd alphabet ends at 276th place. 276th place was taken up by 23rd alphabet. Till 300th place is taken up by 24th alphabet. And we need to find 288th position. That means that will be taken up by 24th alphabet in the English alphabet. Which is the 24th alphabet? We have X, Y, Z, 26, 25, 24. 24th alphabet is X. Okay, action. Find the 5th triangular number coming before 171. So continue watching this. We are not over yet. I would be adding a few questions at the end of this video. Thank you for watching.